So this is a Renault Espace from 2010, and let's try to change the language. We have to use these buttons and watch that display. So I'm going to press, let's say, set, yes, and back, and then use the arrows, that is down, up, right, left, and press it in as OK and back as cancel to get out from something. So I'm going to press set, go down, and the 10th one, in the lower left corner, you can see 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. So the 10th one is the language. Currently English km is selected, kilometers, English mile. Let's set it to, let's say, Deutsch, German. Changing the language erases all the voice text. Do you want to continue? Yes, let's try that one. Please wait a moment. It's English here, but it's not English there. It says autonomy, but that's not in English. If you press this one, the end, it says distance. Moyen, that's French, I think. That's not English. Controller, that's not English. Carburant, moyen, instantané. I don't speak French, but that seems to be not English. This is still doing something. So this one is in English, but that one is not in English. Rewriting language data. Do not change the ignition position. Do not remove the disk. Program loading. Seems to be serious. Caution. Nothing yet. Renault. Oops. I don't understand it. I mean, very little. That should go away by itself. And now let's press the set button. And yes, it's in a different language, but this is in one language, that's in another language. So that did not change. The question is how to change this one. Now let's try to put it back. So it was at the 10th one. Sprache, that's the language. Enter there. English, kilometers. By the way, let's show all the languages. That's it, 8 languages out of 8. English, kilometer. Yes. And this is already in English. There was a beep sound. Now it's going once again to the right. I had to make it brighter because otherwise I would not see it there. Program loading completed. It's restarting. It should show the Renault. Navigation system. Now it's back to English. Press the set again. Now it's in English.